Hello everyone. In this video, I will cover proc frequency, and with that, there is one very important question which they ask from proc frequency, that is how to find the categorical value or distinct value. So we use proc frequency for that, and I will show you how to use that and what do you mean by categorical value. So let's begin. So proc frequency is used to generate your frequency and percentage analysis report. So here we will get a frequency of the whole report and also the percentage of whole that report, or even for a particular variable. So what is the syntax for it? It is proc frequency data is equal to data set name table slash options. So there are certain options available, but options are available only for your cross tabulation, and I will tell you what is cross tabulation and the options for it, and then run. So over here I have taken one simple example. Proc Freq data is equal to sashelp.class tables. I have taken two variables, which is age and sex. So I will just run it. So over here you can see I got frequency, I got percent, I got cumulative frequency, cumulative percent for age and for sex separately. So frequency is the number of observation. So age 11 is occurring twice. So we got frequency 2. The percentage out of 100, 10.53. Now what do you mean by cumulative? Cumulative means it will get added up. So you can see here frequency is 2. So it is 2 here. Now next frequency is 5. So cumulative frequency will be 2 plus 5, 7. Then 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Same way goes for percentage. So finally the percentage will become 100 and in cumulative percent, and in cumulative frequency finally it will become the number of rows present in the data set. Same way for sex, you can see for female we have 9 values and for male we have 10 values and the percentage between them. So this is how your in general proc frequency works. Now next comes up to cross tabulation and the options available. So what do you mean by cross tabulation? Now this one is used to find the relation or pattern with two or more variables. Okay. So with two or more variables we'll try to find out. So over here just see I have written proc freq data is equal to syshelp.class tables age asterisk. What do we call it as? Let me just write it. Asterisk. Okay, the star symbol is known as asterisk. This helps you to create your cross tabulation. This was the normal table what I created over here. Okay, now I want to create a cross tabulation. Okay, that I want these two variables to come together and to find a pattern or a relation between these two variables. How will you do it? Using a asterisk. So let me just run it over here. So now can you see we are getting four things. We are getting frequency, we are getting percentage. Now we are getting row percent and column percent instead of your cumulative percentage what you see there, right? That is the difference here. Okay. Now can you see how is it related? See, age is coming in the rows, sex is coming in the column. So now you are able to analyze, okay, between these two variable, is there any pattern or any relation? So this is known as cross tabulation over here. So first is frequency given for female 1, for male 1, then the percentage is given, then the row percent and the column percent is given. So this is how it works here. Now there are many options in that, so I have covered in cross tabulation. So the main 5 options I have covered here. So the first one is no call, means it suppresses the display of column percentage in cross tabulation. So let me write it and show you what does it do. No call. Okay, now I'll just run it. See, can you see the column percent COLPCT is not available now because we use no call. So no call will suppress the display of your column percentage. Okay, so this is your number 1. Number 2 is your no row over here. No row means it will suppress the display of your row percentage. So now you can see row percentage is not coming. Third option is your no percent, means the it will suppress the display of percent in cross tabulation. Please remember, it is available only for cross tabulation. See, now your percentage is not available. Then we have no freq. No freq, what does it do? It will suppress the display of frequency. So over here you can see I've written no freq. So all the options are written after your tables, variables / options. So over here I have no freq. Now you can see the frequency went. There is no frequency. Yeah. And the last one is the important one, list. So list, what does it do? No, it will convert your cross tabulation into simple table. Means instead of having cross, you will have the variable, the age and sex in row itself. I'll show it to you, that time you'll be able to understand. There you go. See, age and sex are coming as one column, but it's not cross, right? So now you are getting frequency percent, cumulative frequency, cumulative percentage. So it is now in your normal table, right? So these are the options available for your cross tabulation. So what are the options? No col, which will suppress your column percentage. No row, which will suppress your row percentage. No freq, which will suppress your frequency. No percent will suppress your percentage of in cross tabulation. List will convert your cross tabulation into simple table. So these are the 5 important options which we use in Proc Freq. Okay. So till now I think it is clear. Now let's go to the most important part, an interview question, that is how to find categorical values or distinct value in SAS. So let me first tell you, what do you understand by categorical value? So over here I'll give you one example to make you understand. Categorical means category. So can you see SAS-help.class, we have sex. In sex we have only 2, male and female. So what is the category here? 2, because either we have male, either we have female. So these are the 2 major category our values are belonging to, right? So one category is male, one category is female. So this is known as your categorical value. Okay, that is category, basically the category, division in a category. Now that is only your distinct value, right? Now let me come to your one data set which I have created, okay, to make you understand what is categorical values. Now over here, can you see I have given in input serial number, name and gender. So these are my 3 variables. So I have given 5 observations, right? So over here you can see that I have how many types of serial number. If I divide it in category, 1 is repeating, so it will be 1 category, then 2, 3 dot. So there are 3 category and 1 dot, so that also will be included as 1 category. So there are 4 category in your serial number. So serial number is having 4 category. Serial number 4. Okay, next is my name. If you see, all my names are different and 1 is also dot, so totally 5. Name is divided in 5 category. Then gender. Gender is either male or female, but there is also 1 dot, so there are in gender 3 category right now, correct? Yeah. So all that in data set, how will you get it? That is using Proc Freq. Okay, now I will try to explain you with this data set. Over here, let's come. Proc Freq data is equal to hello, you can see over here. Now you have to use one option here known as n level. What does it do? N level gets you the categorical values and then run. That's it. Now I will explain you here. See, let's come to the first table. Okay, over here serial number, we have got level. Levels means the categorical value. How much I told for serial number? 4. See, what did you get? 4. For name I told 5 because all the 5 names are different, including 1 dot which is a missing value, 5. Gender you got 3, male, female and a dot. Now in this, it is also divided into missing level and non-missing level. This happens when you have a missing value, because now missing level, as you know, in serial number we have 1 missing value over here. So your missing level is 1 here. For name also we have one missing level. For gender also we have one missing level, right? Over here. So that is your missing level. So non-missing level will be level minus missing level. 4 minus 1 3, 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2. So levels will include your both non-missing and missing level, and then they are also provided separately to you over here. Now next what is given? The variables. So for each variable, serial number, that is one variable. See, for 1 we had 2 frequency, for 2 1 and 3 1, then percent, cumulative frequency, cumulative percentage, and any frequency missing, that is 1. Same way for your name, 4 names were there and 1 was missing over here, and then frequency, percent, cumulative percent, and frequency. Same way for your gender. So this is how you use n levels, okay? We use n levels to find the categorical values or distinct value in SAS. So it has been asked in multiple interviews by many companies. They are asking this question, but people do know about the cross tabulation and all, but they were not aware of n levels. But it is an important thing to know, especially when you try to relate variables, okay? So I hope my class is very much clear. So daily please uh, stay updated with my channel, because I'll try to upload 1 or 2 videos daily, and to get all the notifications, please turn on the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.